Good day, my wonderful learners. Today's topic is number-based system, and the subtopic under it is addition and subtraction of number base. So we are going to solve these examples. Number one, we have 101 base 2 plus 111 base 2. Don't forget that 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. But 2 in base 2 will give us 1 remainder 0. So we are going to write the remainder, which is 0, and keep this one. Is 0 plus 1, that will be 1, plus this one, that will be 2. So we are still going to have 1 remainder 0, so we are going to write 0 and keep 1. 1 plus 1, that will be 2. 2 plus 1, that will be 3. Then 3 in base 2, we are going to have 1 remainder 1. So we are going to write this one and keep 1. Then 1 plus 1, that will be 2. 2 in base 2, that will be 0. That will be 1 remainder 0. So we are going to write 0 and keep 1. Please take note of that. Number 2, we have 2002 base 3 plus 112 base 3. 2 plus 2, that will give us 4. So we are going to express 4 in base 3. That will be 1 remainder 1. So we are going to write 1 and keep 1. Is 0 plus 1, that is 1. Plus the one that we kept here, that will be 2. Don't forget that the highest digit in base 3 is 2. 0 plus 1, that's 1, and this 2. Number 3, we have 321 base 5 plus 404 base 5. 1 plus 4, that will be 5. 1 plus 4 is equals to 5, and 5 in base 5, that will be 1 remainder 0. So we are going to write 0 here and keep 1. 2 plus 0, that's 2, plus this one, that will be 3. Then 3 plus 4, that will give us 7. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7, and 7 in base 5 will be 1 remainder 2. So we are going to write 2 and keep 1, and since that's the last digit there to add, we are going to write 1 here. So that means we are going to have 1230 base 5. Number 4. If 452 base 6 minus 114 base 6 is equals to y base 6, find the value of y. So we are going to have 452 minus 114 base 6. Anytime you are asked to subtract in form of number base, anything that you borrow will be in form of that base. 2 minus 4 is not possible. The moment we borrow 1 from here, this base will remain 4, but that 1 is not 1. It is the base that we have here. So that means it is 6. So 6 plus 2, that will give us 8. And 8 minus 4 will give us 4. So we are going to have 4 here. 4 minus 1, that will be 3. And 4 minus 1 will also give us 3. So 3, 3, 4, and 6 is our answer. 5, we have 1 minus 1. That will be 0. 0 minus 1, that's not possible, so we have to borrow from here. This space will be 0. But don't forget that we are working in base 2. That means we borrow 2. 2 minus 1, that will be 1. 0 minus 1 is not possible. The moment we borrow from here, this space will be 0. And whatever that we borrow from here is 2 because we are working in base 2. So 2 minus 1 will give us 1. Then we are going to have 0, 1. Number 6. We have 1522 base 8 minus 125 base 8. 2 minus 5 is not possible in base 8, so we are going to borrow from here. This place remains 1. But because we are working in base 8, don't forget that whatever that we borrow will be in form of that base. So that means we are going to have 8 here. That means we borrow 8 from here. Do you understand? So 8 plus 2 will give us 10. And 10 minus 5 will give us 8 minus 10 minus 5 will give us 5. So we have 5. Here we have 1 minus 2. It's not possible in base 8 to have such number. So we are going to borrow 1 from here. This space will remain 4, but don't forget that whatever that we borrow will be in form of that base. So that means we borrow 8. So 8 plus 1, that's 9, and 9 minus 2 will give us 7. Don't forget that the highest digit in base 8 is 7. Then 4 minus 1 will give us 3, and this one will come down. I want you to try these questions and put your answer in the comment section. Simplify the following. I'm going to give you 4 questions. 1, 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 1 in base 2. Then you have 5, 2, 4, 5 base 6 plus 2, 4, 3 base 6. Number 3, you have 8, 0, 1, 2 base 9 minus 4, 3, 7 base 9. Then number 4, you have 5, 2, 6 base 7 minus 3, 6 base 7. See you next class. If you are yet to subscribe, ensure you do that right now. Like the video and share it with your loved ones. Thank you.